Hey guys, my name's Joel.
And my name, be quiet. And my name's Soya.
And now I'm gonna play
No, Joel. Remember, we're not playing anything in this video, okay?
Now we're gonna play.
We're not gonna play anything. I said.
What are you gonna do?
You're just gonna tell them what your YouTube channel's for.
My YouTube channel is something new. It's Raymond Oranges and Sonic Forces and Lego Super City. If you want to come in my house, and if you want to do.
Oh, and we will record at least once a week.
Yeah.
Well,
And that's gonna. If you want to go in this, if you want to do the store video, then do it.
Oh, guys, don't listen to him. Just don't listen to him, okay? Because he might say something that's not.
Why publish? You are publish.
It's okay. This is just private. Okay.
Hey
so,
guys, where did you?
Whoa. So yeah, we're gonna record at least once a week. And what else? Bye, but not bye. Yeah. Sometimes we'll be playing Roblox or Minecraft. So if you want to watch our Roblox or Minecraft videos, just go to our channels.
Yeah.
Well, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Joel, don't take FGTV's goodbye outro thingy.
Okay.
Bye.